Good evening, students. Students, welcome in the computer class. Now, students, we are moving to the rest part of our chapter logo, and here is the pic of the activity that I have given to you in previous video as a homework. So, I hope you all have done this activity, as some students has sent me the pic of solved this activity. So now we are start the chapter with the conversation of Tobo and Dobo. So here Tobo said to Dobo, "Have you noticed that all these machines perform a specific task?" Dobo, "Yes, I completely agree with you." Tobo, "Now can you tell me about the various uses of computer?" Dobo, "It is used for drawing." Now students, Dobo tell the uses of computer. He said, Dobo said it is used for drawing. Dobo, what else? Means, rather than the drawing, what are other uses of computer? Dobo, it is used for listening to music, watching movie, and also for playing games. Because students, computer is used for various tasks, for various work. Tobo. That means computer can perform many tasks and not just a specific task like all other machines. Students, like all other machine, computer not does only one or two specific tasks, but computer do many tasks. Okay. Now, what are the uses of computer? The uses of computer to draw, drawing and shapes. It is used for calculation also. And computer is used to watch movie, listen to music and play games. It is also used to send and receive mail and chat with a friend. Students, we also sending the mail, emails through computer. We also chatting through computer with our friends. Dobo. Oh, yes. I understand that computer is a special machine that can do variety of tasks at a home. I wonder how will we tell the computer to perform a specific task when it can perform so many tasks. I wonder how will we tell the computer to perform a specific task when it can perform a many tasks? Means students, computer do so many tasks. Then here is the picture that show us that computer do many things. Computer do many tasks. For example, here is just drawing, playing games, then solve sums, then play music, then show movies. We are watching the movie also on computer. Then we are using just make the or we are chatting with our friends through our computer, even laptop or even desktop. Computer is also used to send and receive the emails. Okay. Now, Tobo said it is not difficult when we can instruct the computer to perform the desired task. These instructions can be given to the computer in the form of commands. Tobo said, "It is not difficult. We can instruct the computer to perform the desired task." Means we give the instruction to computer to perform the various tasks or to perform the desired task whatever we want. Means which type of output we want from computer. So we give the instruction to the computer. These instruction can be given to the computer in the form of command. Command means whatever we give the instruction. Suppose if we want to just do the sum, then if we want to add two numbers, suppose here I am just wanting to add 2 number 2 plus 2. So here I am writing from keyboard 2, then I am using the symbol plus, then again 2, then press enter key. Then the answer is given by the computer, that is 4. So these instructions that is given by me, these are called the command. So whenever we give the command to the computer, that in that way or for according to our command, computer give us the output. Suppose if we want to play a music uh, in the computer, then or in through laptop, then we just use the even pen drive or even CD, then play that CD or pen drive, then computer give us the output, means computer play the music. So now there is a conversation between Dobo and Tobo again. Dobo, what a computer does not understand our language, how can we speak to it? Students, computer is not knowing our language. Computer is not understanding our language. So computer has a own language, and that language is binary language. Binary language, that is 0 and 1. We have the two number, that is 0 and 1. These two numbers only understand by the computer. And some other programming, some other languages, computer languages, that is understand by the computer. So here Dobo said, what a computer does not understand our language, how can we speak it to it? Whenever computer is not understanding our language, then Dobo said, how we speak with this? How we speak with the computer? Tobo, it understands many languages known as computer language. Students, computer only understand the computer languages or only the binary language. Computer doesn't understand our language, even English or even Hindi. However, we need to learn a computer language in order to get our work done by the computer. So if we want to if we want to need or if we want to take the output from the computer, then we need to learn a computer language. Okay, so now Dobo. Oh, Dobo, I know my dad told me that we need a language to tell the computer to do a specific task. Can I learn computer language? Do you know any computer language? Can you help me learn the same? Then Tobo, sure, I can help you. Let us learn Logo, which is a computer language. It is easiest to learn and fun to use. Now Tobo said to Dobo, sure, I told you I'd help you to learn Logo, which is a computer language. It is easiest to learn and fun to use. Students, Logo is the computer language. So in this chapter we are reading, we are just doing the work through Logo. So here is the activity for you. Firstly, we solve this activity. I solve this activity for you. Find out the name of any 5 computer language and note your finding in the space provided. Share your finding with your classmates. So here I am starting in the first computer language that I have written here, that is Logo. Logo, logic oriented, graphic oriented. Second language that I have written here, Java. And third is Pascal. Next I have written here Python language, Python. Python, Python. Then COBOL, COBOL. Then again students, I am writing here C++. We announce it, read it, C++. And in the last, I have written C language. So students, there are many other languages. I am writing here some of the name of these languages. There are many other languages. So students, in the next video, we have done or we have we will reading the next part of this Logo chapter. For today, that's all, and you do practice of this. Thank you.